story of new beginnings.
A new day paints the sky with hope.
Tomorrow waits for those who dare to look beyond.
Every wave carries a story. And in the quiet, we find ourselves again.
Life flows like a river, ever moving, ever changing. Even in the emptiness, life leaves its mark.
Every step is a story waiting to unfold.
Peace is found in the quiet places within us.
Every breeze carries a hidden message.
Some dreams flutter into life when least expected.
Where water falls, life begins.
Nature speaks in colors only the soul can hear.
Peace lives where hearts choose simplicity.
Dreams riz when the heart believes.
To fly is to trust the sky. Our journey never ends. It only begins again.
In strength, we rise above challenges. Strength is born in the heart during the storm.
Every journey takes us somewhere we've never been.
Even in chaos, beauty lives. The universe dances when we dare to look up.
Cold nights create the warmest memories. Even in darkness, beauty finds a way to shine. Some moments fall like rain, unforgettable.
Every journey begins with a single brave step.
And with hope, we continue our journey.